Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Season 8 Battle Pass in Fortnite Battle Royale. And now, let's hop into the video.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out is going to be going to a guy named Nonix Chief. He uploads Fortnite gameplay, it seems. Currently has 91 subscribers. So guys, go head over to his channel real quick and show him some support and tell him I sent you. And trying to keep you guys entertained. I respect that, and let's get into the video now. Okay guys, so in this video I'm just going to be explaining how Fortnite is giving away free Battle Pass for Season 8. This is not clickbait. This is not a scam. This is 100% legit. And Fortnite actually sends you out an email to let you know that this is available. So here I'm just going to show you this video. Hi, Scoot4321. Embark on an epic continent-spanning journey across post-apocalyptic Russia in the Great Metro Adventure. Has nothing to do with Fortnite. That's just Epic Games sending me a free copy of Metro Exodus. That has nothing to do with this, but Metro Exodus, yeah. Okay, so everyone who completes any 13 free overtime challenges by February 27th will receive the upcoming Season 8 Battle Pass for free. Save your V-Bucks, this one's on us. If a player redeems a free Season 8 Battle Pass by completing challenges and is supporting you, and you'll see blah blah blah. Okay, so basically that's saying since I'm a creator and I have a creator code, I can also receive a benefit. Blah blah, gifting is available right now. Go here for the selection area. Support a creator code. It's that easy. Okay, so yeah, that leads me to my next thing, which is my supporter creator code. I'll probably put it on screen here. If you guys want to help support the channel, and if you just want to help me produce better content, go use my supporter creator code. I believe you get some sort of benefit with it or something. I think you get a free skin or something like that you can unlock for free. If you use my code, I'll put it on screen here. Hope you guys can support the channel. Now let me jump over to Fortnite and I'll show you the actual challenges. Okay, so here I just loaded up Fortnite on my laptop right now. I'm just bringing you through the way that you can actually access these challenges. It's very straightforward. Also, if you guys want to add me, Scoot4321, and at the end of this I'll show you how to add my creator code. So you just want to make your way over to the challenges tab, as you see that I'm doing here, and it says here complete any 13 challenges to earn the reward item, and that reward item basically shown here is the Season 8 Battle Pass. And you can currently see I have 8 out of 13 challenges done. Now remember, there are 20 challenges. You only have to do 13 to unlock the Battle Pass. As you can see, I'm just listing down the challenges. They're pretty easy for the most part, like deal damage to opponents with assault rifles or pistols. It's really easy, guys. You can do this very quickly. All you have to do is just wait for the full amount of challenges to come out. As you can see, not all of them are out right now. I think only 8 since I've done all of them. As you can see, it says unlocks in 2 days, unlocks in 2 days, unlocks in 2 days, unlocks in 5 days, 5 days, blah blah blah. It's very straightforward, guys. You can unlock the Battle Pass very easily. And as you can see, I'm just bumbling around trying to find out how to actually add the support the creator code. I'm getting to that soon. Almost trying to figure it out any second now. Yep, item shop, there you go. So you want to make your way to item shop, go to the lower right corner and basically type in my creator code, which I'll post on screen again if you guys want me to. Just put that in and you can help support the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace, and turn on notifications for that shout out.